Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Green Metaverse Token Daily Update. We are going to see the next targets. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go right now and start. So what do we have for GMT against USDT and for GMT against Bitcoin chart? Right now we hold the 0.5. If you remember back then on the update, we talked about that GMT would go probably to these targets right there, 3.05. For now, we haven't lost the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement line. It even went down to the 2.96 to 2.95. It was expected as this whole area right here. It was a very strong support level area. We had a little bit of a prime pressure over these previous few hours. And now we want to see what we can do, right? Can we get even higher or not? This is something that you all are worried about. You need exact price targets, and this is what we are doing on Mind Your Crypto channel. Anyway, for the time being, I am going to give you the exact price targets, but first let's see the technical analysis. So in a bit, what we have is that we are having the stochastic in an oversold situation. This is pretty good. We hold the 20-day EMA right here, and all we want to see is to break above the 3.24 for now, and we will be going probably to the 3.47, but I'm going to give you more exact price targets. Do not worry about that. Let's see a little bit the commodity channel index as well, not in an oversold, and the RSI not in an oversold. But anyway, the whole point right here is that it holds pretty nice, and we might have a buying pressure. Let's go to GMT against Bitcoin chart. All we want to see right now for GMT against Bitcoin chart is to break the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement line, the 0.408144. Breaking this target will get us to the next, which will be the 0.408792, and breaking this target will get us to the 0.5409824 to 13. Okay, around there. Right? So therefore, if we break its target right here, we are going to the next and to the next and to the next target right there for GMT against Bitcoin chart. This will help GMT against USDT to move even higher and go to outperform Bitcoin. At the same time, we have a lower low in the Fisher transform, while here you can see that from this actually low right there, here we go back, look at that. Back here, okay, this was a low, we have a lower low, but at the same time, look at that, we have a higher low, in the price, and therefore this is good. This indicates like a hidden bullish RSI divergence, but a hidden bullish Fisher transform divergence. Okay, so we could say something like this. This is how this indicator works, and you can see with the RSI we have the same as well, lower low and higher low in the RSI. This is good in general for an altcoin that wants to bump, but I think that you should be keeping these targets for now. Let's go to GMT against USDT chart. 3.05 is a very strong support level. I'm sorry for that. I'm going to undo this. Okay, and you can see that I'm going to redraw a new Fibonacci retracement, this time from the top to the bottom, and you can see eventually what do we have is that the next target should be the 3.30 and to 3.31. Okay, so what we need to do right now for the 4-hour frame, 3.42 is a strong resistance level, but not the strongest. What we need to do in order to secure our profits and minimize the risk is to close above the 3.66. However, if we close above the 3.30, you can get some profits by selling, by having a very quick trade at around 3.30, between 3.30 and 3.5, a 6% trade. That's not bad, right? And eventually, if we close above the 3.66, then you can go towards the 4 USDT, which will be a nice plus 11% profit target for you. And right now, things are looking good, but we have to stick on the price analysis and the price targets. This is what I always recommend. Okay, as long as the technical analysis is good and we hold the 0.5 Fibonacci support level, we are fine. Because if you remember, WD Gun has always said that between a bottom and the top, it usually retraces down to the 0.5, then goes higher back up. Okay, so the fact that we remain and we hold above the 0.5 is a very crucial subject right there. But what we need to do right now is to just close above the 3.30 and especially the 3.66 USDT. I think that we can easily achieve the 3.31 for the time being, but we need to break above and close above the 3.66 for GMT against USDT chart. And of course, we are going to get towards the 4, maybe 4.30 could be the case right here. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription and see you soon with many more videos. Bye!